All right, people of YouTube, another one for you. This is also German, clearly, something we haven't posted about before. 1986 BMW 325e economy model. I bought it from the second owner. Pretty darn clean, not perfect. I'll point out, I lost a piece of trim right here when we were out for a little drive. Interior's pretty darn clean. Like I said, the video really wasn't planned today. Been troubleshooting some window switches, so that's why this is off. Couple little dash cracks. That's from the race box. And as you can see, I wasn't planning on doing this video, so didn't even get it washed. There's a good story for what happened with that fog light. Had an aftermarket Viper alarm. That was one of the things that made this car not want to run when I first got it. Took a lot of troubleshooting. Oh, what do we got? Almost 70,000 on it. Speedometer works when it wants. Tack doesn't. Did timing belt, water pump, fuel injectors. You can see Ratatouille got to it. ABS. What else? Yeah, don't know what this is for. Been meaning to diagnose that. They got to the headlight harness, and obviously this insulation. But yeah. She cruises. It's been out to the New York Safety Track in Watkins Glen. Obviously the slowest car at any track day, but it's fun. The only real modifications I've done that weren't just, to get it back on the road, wheel studs from FCP and the Falcon of Zenuses. Those made a huge difference, obviously. But yeah, FCP Euro, lots of great parts. If anybody's got information on these trim clips or a new piece of trim, because mine blew off at an unknown speed, that'd be sweet. Let's see what, I don't know what's in the back. Overall. Oh yeah, so with the change in registration, we only got a rear plate. If anybody has information on a front plate block-off piece, that'd be sweet. Or Euro bumpers that you don't want $1 million for. Also interested in those. Like Jay Leno talks about slow cars, fast, not fast cars slow. This one's ticks that box. It's fun to drive. What would you guys like to see as far as content with this? Keep us posted. And we'll try to have some more content on this very soon. Take care.